Rust stains on car paint can dull your car's appearance and take away its shine. Luckily, there are simple and effective methods to remove them and make your car look fresh and well maintained again. A non-corrosive cleaner gently lifts rust stains while keeping your car's paint smooth and protected. Take a non-corrosive cleaner concentrate and apply it to a cloth. Then scrub the stained surface with the cloth. Next, apply the non-corrosive cleaner directly onto the rust-stained area and scrub again. Rinse the area thoroughly with clean water. Finally, take a dry, clean cloth and dry the car's surface carefully. By using this simple method, you can easily get rust stains off car paint. G3 abrasive compound effectively removes rust stains and surface imperfections, restoring your car's paint to a smooth, polished finish. Take G3 abrasive compound and apply it over the rust-stained surface. Then use a drill with a foam pad attached and thoroughly scrub the area. This will help break down and remove the rust stains without damaging the paint. By using this simple method, you can effectively get rust stains off car paint. Sandpaper gently smooths rough or rusted areas on your car's surface, preparing it for painting or refinishing. First, clean the entire area using wax and grease remover. This will eliminate contaminants like water, road salt, dirt, or any other substances stuck to the surface. Use Q-tips to tuck down the rubber trim between the roof and edge, keeping it away from the area you will be working on. Then use tape to protect the trim. After that, use 80 grit sandpaper on a sanding block. The sanding block helps give a flat, even contact surface. Change your sanding direction occasionally to ensure you are sanding evenly. Once you have removed the rust, blow away any remaining dust and particles. Now apply a filler primer over the repaired area. This primer helps to fill in small scratches or imperfections left behind. Let it dry, and then sand it with 400 grit sandpaper to smooth it out. Blow away any dust using compressed air, and clean the area one more time with wax and grease remover. When the surface is clean and dry, apply the first coat of spray paint. Spray it on lightly, do not apply it too heavily. Let it dry for about 10 minutes. Then apply a second coat, and a third coat if needed for full coverage. After the paint has dried, use a tack cloth to remove any dust or overspray from the surface. By using this easy and effective method, you can successfully remove rust stains from car paint and restore a smooth, clean finish. By following these simple steps and using the right products, you can easily remove rust stains and keep your car's paint looking fresh and well protected for years to come.